Hello friends, I will tell you how to install Power BI on your computer. For that, open your web browser, go to google.com, write Power BI, download. You'll get the first link, download Microsoft Power BI, click on that. This page will reoccur. Now there are different types of models. You can say one which is accessible on web browser, second which is accessible on desktop. So you can download any of them. We have mobile version, we have server version, we have a desktop version. Just allow it. It will direct you to Microsoft Store, and here you will get an install button. As I have already installed it, you just install it and you are good to go. Thank you for watching the video.